Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix WhatsApp notification not showing in your home screen. So first of all, this happens if your application has a technical glitch. To fix it, head over to your settings application, scroll all the way below, then you will see apps. Tap onto apps. Here let's search for WhatsApp and tap onto our application. Now under privacy, simply select notifications and make sure this is toggled on. Likewise, under this section, make sure that everything is here checked: lock screen, app badge icon, and notification pop-up. So once done, what you have to do is select storage and clear the cache. Then simply restart your device. Now once there is a notification in WhatsApp, you will also see an app badge icon like a dot on your application from outside, and you will also see a pop-up. So guys, these are the fixes that you can try. Thank you for watching.